In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can start eBay dropshipping as a complete beginner. Now, all you need, guys, is to give me your attention for at least 8 minutes, and this video is going to change your life. I'm going to show you guys how you can start from scratch, how you can list an item, how you can find a winning product to list on item, and what e-commerce website I use myself to dropship on eBay. Okay, now the business that we are going to be using is a simple business, which is dropshipping. If you don't know, guys, what is dropshipping is you sell something you don't have. Means, for example, if you go to we are going to use AliExpress as as an e-commerce website to import products from AliExpress to eBay. I hope, guys, you understand me. So as you can see here, guys, for example, let me show you guys what is dropshipping. Dropshipping is a simple business that you sell an item you don't have. Okay, for example, I'm going to show you guys an example. For me, what I do is I search for a product on AliExpress. Okay, I'm not going, guys, to edit this video or anything. I know, guys, I made a lot of mistakes and I don't care. I just want to show you guys everything that I do. I'm not going to make it easier so that you have like a false idea about how this whole thing works. I'm going to put this video as it is. I'm not going to edit it or make it better or make it easier or something like that. Okay, I'm not going to show you guys everything you need to know. Okay, it's like a live video. Okay, so as you can see here, guys, as you can see, the available funds are like $50. Okay, so after someone guys buys the product from me on eBay, which I imported from AliExpress, I go to AliExpress and I search for that exact product. Okay, and they click on buy now. Instead of putting my address, I put the address of the customer, and the AliExpress seller sends the item directly to the customer that has purchased the item from me on eBay. That's what I do exactly. If you don't understand anything, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment, by the way. It says here order. This product, as you can see, this LED that I have sold, I just imported this exact product from eBay, and I'm going to show you guys this exact product. I'm going to show it to you right now. This is the item. I'm going to search for it on AliExpress. By the way, after you find the item that you want to import to your eBay, you just need to copy the title and search for it on AliExpress. Okay, as you can see here, guys, this is the product. The cost of the product is $1, and the cost of the shipping is $3. Okay, now, and I sold it for almost $12, as you can see. Okay, so the profit is around $6. Okay, it's not $8 because you still have to pay eBay. Each time you get a sale, eBay takes transaction fees, which is you can see it here. They took $2. I sold it for $12, but they took $2 of the sale, so I'm only left with 9.79 and the cost that I have paid, guys, on AliExpress is almost $5. Okay, so it's not a huge profit, but you are going to sell a lot of items and you will get at least you can make $100 per day using this business model. Okay, even if you don't understand everything on this video, doesn't matter. Okay, you just need to list a product and learn from there. You don't need to know everything, guys, to start this business. You can start as like you just start like list a product. If someone buys the product from you, then learn how you can ship the product to them, learn how you can talk to the customer. You don't need to learn all these things before you even start. I hope, guys, you get the idea. When I first started doing eBay dropshipping, I only knew how to list a product. I didn't even know how this whole thing works. If someone opens a dispute against me, what I'm going to do, how can I get a refund from AliExpress so that I can send that refund to the customer on eBay? I didn't know these. when I started to know these is when I started to face these problems. Then I started to learn how I can how can I talk to the customer, how can I issue the refund, how can I do all these things. Okay, now as you can see now, all these products that I are dropshipped. Okay, this is not my original account, guys. This is just an account. I just want to show this to people on YouTube, because a lot of people show you guys how you can start eBay dropshipping, and they are not doing eBay dropshipping. They don't show you guys the results, how much they are making. They don't show you anything. But I just wanna show you guys exactly that eBay is still working, and dropshipping on AliExpress is still working. As you can see, this account is new. It's to 26 November last the year. Okay, this is a new year, by the way, but it's just the beginning of the new year. Okay, so this means dropshipping is still working. Okay, it's still working, and it's going to work years after this video. Okay, at least I would say 10 years or 20 years, it's still going to work. There is nothing wrong with dropshipping, and people are still using this business model to make money. Okay, now the business that I use, guys, like I said, is the dropshipping. Now I hope you guys understand the concept, what I do. Now what you need, guys, you need to drop a like on this video and watch the video in the screen right now. It will show you guys how you can find the product, how you can import it to your eBay store. Okay, and then everything you need, guys, you will find it on the video in the screen. Click it and see you guys there.